Hello, welcome to Atrion's new 30 Service Avenue facility. Today I'd like to take you on a little tour of the building. In our first stop, we're here in the new lobby of Atrion SMB. Later in the tour, we'll be reviewing what one of the very first lean teams set out to do, and that's redesigning our receiving, staging, and shipping workflow. Without further ado, let's continue the tour. On the second stop of our tour, we bring you to the new Atrion SMB library. Though it hasn't been renovated, it has been redesigned and relocated, with a fresh coat of paint, some new carpet, and a foosball table. And on this leg of the tour, we bring you down the executive hallway, which has remained relatively unchanged now that Atrion SMB has moved in. And one of the more dramatic changes to 30 Service Ave was the transformation of Atrion's library, which is now home to Atrion SMB's sales department. Perhaps the most noticeable change here has been the removal of walls to create an open concept floor plan for what is now the main area of Atrion SMB, which can now seat 30 people comfortably. On the second half of our tour, I'd like to show you the impact the lean team had at 30 Service Ave by walking you through the path the gear takes here at this facility, starting with this receiving door. The first stop the piece of gear will take upon arriving through our receiving door is at this inventory check-in counter, where the warehouse team will check in this piece of gear against purchase orders and shipping receipts. While it waits for its engineer, the next step this piece of gear will take is a spot at its project-assigned kitting area. Once kitted, the project engineer can easily find their gear and bring it to the redesigned staging area, where they could use one of 6 new workstations. Now that this piece of gear is staged and configured, they'll take a spot at its designated shipping rack, where it will wait to be shipped out to a client site. And on our last leg of our lean journey, this piece of gear will be exiting our brand new shipping door. Now what you've just witnessed is what the lean team set out to do. By changing the layout and increasing the workflow. By rearranging the shipping, receiving, and staging areas. By increasing scalability with now the expansion of up to 9 workstations for our engineers. By changing the work environment, by increasing the light by additional windows, and increasing efficiency, where our old gear used to have to take a path of 1,370 feet is now down to 320 feet. I also like to acknowledge the expanded lean team for this project, the core members of Megan Costello, James Iacono, Adam Janetta, and Lucian Menard. Our subject matter experts, Pat Olson and Deb Boxer, and our project manager, Erica Davies. Great work, team. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our reconfigured 30 Service Ave facility. There's only one thing left to do, and that's celebrate the space. But before we go, let's take a trip down memory lane.